The more you know about your audience, the better you'll be able to speak their language and relate to them. And the more relatable you are, the more likely they'll start viewing you as someone who understands them. And when they feel like you truly understand them, they'll start to trust you. And people buy from those they trust. So this is really key. So then the question is, how do you know how to speak their language and get to the bottom of what they really want? Well, that's what I'm going to go over in this video. So let's dig in. Hi, I'm Alli, and I help emerging entrepreneurs level up their business online with a brand and website that makes a connection with their dream clients. And the key to making that connection comes down to one thing: truly understanding the deep-seated internal problem that's motivating them to make change. And there's only one way to know what's waking them up in the middle of the night with worry, and that's to ask them. Start by finding a few of your dream clients, people who are looking to solve the problem that you solve and that you would love to work with. Now, you may already know some people that fall into this category, but if not, a great place to start is by looking in communities like Facebook communities, for example, where your dream clients might be hanging out. Next, ask to get on a quick call. Create a post inside of a group asking for volunteers to help you do some work on your messaging. You'll want to make sure to let them know it'll be a quick 10 to 15 minute call where you'll ask them questions but won't be selling them anything, and make sure that you're telling them who specifically you're looking for, so who your dream client is. For example, middle-aged women looking to make a career change, or moms who want to reduce anxiety. People are usually more than willing to help out. Then hit record and start the conversation. You'll want to start out the call by thanking your dream client for taking the time to talk with you. Make sure to let them know that you understand that they're busy and that the call will be under 15 minutes. Remember, the goal of the call is to uncover what your dream client really wants. It's their deep-seated internal reason why they want to solve their problem. What's motivating them? You have to keep narrowing down until you get to the very, very core of what's motivating them to make that change. So here are the questions that I like to ask. Question 1, what's the reason that you want to blank? So for our examples here, what's the reason that you want to make a career change? Or what's the reason that you want to reduce anxiety? Question number 2, what would your life be like if you blank? So for example, what would life look like if you were in your new career? Or what would life look like if you were able to reduce your anxiety? Question 3, what frustrates you the most about blank? What frustrates you the most about not being in your new career? Or what frustrates you the most about trying to reduce your anxiety? Question 4 is, how do you feel that your time and money are being wasted when it comes to blank? How do you feel like your time and money are being wasted when it comes to trying to change careers? Or how do you feel like your time and money are being wasted when it comes to trying to reduce your anxiety? And question 5, what's one thing you wish you had when it comes to blank? What's the one thing you wish you had when it comes to changing your career? Or what's the one thing that you wish you had when it comes to reducing your anxiety? You'll want to make sure that you keep asking why if you're getting surface level answers, so that you can really get to the root of the problem. This always comes down to basic human survival instinct of being safe, happy, and healthy. So keep digging. After you're done, transcribe your call. It's a great idea to transcribe your calls. You can use a service like Temi.com, which is 25 cents a minute, which makes it really easy and it's really affordable to do. So then go through and highlight all of the pain points, deep desires, and objections that revolve around the problem that you solve. Then you can pull from that bank of copy as you create your messaging moving forward, so that it's super compelling and that your audience knows that you truly understand their problem. Understanding your audience is the foundational base to the Simple Business Launch method. So if you're ready to launch or relaunch your business and you want to do it simply but strategically in a way that makes an authentic connection with your dream clients, I want to invite you to join my free upcoming workshop where I'll teach you how to do just that. Head over to my website at dowellwebsites.com/workshop to grab your spot. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, click subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll see you next time.